Welcome to Pro Auto Reviews, your trusted channel for detailed car reviews, specs, and features. Today, we're exploring the 2025 Volkswagen T-Roc, a compact SUV that combines style, practicality, and cutting-edge technology. With its refreshed design and enhanced features, the T-Roc is a strong contender in the competitive compact SUV market, appealing to drivers who seek both versatility and performance. The 2025 Volkswagen T-Roc features a bold and modern exterior design. Its striking front grille, LED matrix headlights, and newly designed alloy wheels give it a distinctive and sporty look. The updated front and rear bumpers, along with new paint color options, add a touch of sophistication. Its compact dimensions make it ideal for urban driving, while its elevated stance and rugged details hint at its adventurous capability. Roof rails and a panoramic sunroof enhance the vehicle's utility and appeal. Under the hood, the T-Roc offers a range of efficient powertrain options. Depending on the market, you'll find turbocharged petrol and diesel engines, along with a plug-in hybrid variant for eco-conscious drivers. The engines are paired with either a smooth 6-speed manual or a responsive 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. With power outputs ranging from 110 to 300 horsepower in the sporty T-Roc R model, there's a configuration to suit various driving preferences. The 4Motion all-wheel drive system, available on higher trims, ensures excellent grip and stability in challenging road conditions. Step inside the 2025 T-Roc, and you'll be greeted by a comfortable and high-tech interior. Volkswagen has improved the quality of materials, with soft touch surfaces and premium finishes across the cabin. The Digital Cockpit Pro and a larger touchscreen infotainment system take center stage, offering seamless connectivity, navigation, and entertainment. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a new voice assistant, make operating the system effortless. Ample space for passengers and luggage ensures that the T-Roc is practical for both daily commutes and weekend getaways. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 T-Roc, which comes equipped with Volkswagen's IQ Drive suite of advanced driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane assist, park assist, and emergency braking. The